fight for freedom started in 1857. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal in Lucknow were bitter. Um, Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow became the leader of Awadh rebellion. A white man, and she told to the people of their people that white man has taken away my kingdom, so I should join the rebellion of protest of Sipai soldiers. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah in Faizabad told the people, "Rise, brother, rise! The Angrez is running our land. They are taking our land. So get up and start our raise their your voice against them." And the people of everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur, Allahabad all started rebellion on against Britishers. Azam, Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope, "We should have Peshawar Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence." They also joined the Peshwa Nana Sahib. You also know the Nana Sahib if you have seen the uh, Tatya Tope, some movie, you can also see this. Maratha. 8-year-old Kumar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in wrist. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. And Kumar Singh, because the rebellion is started in all over the India, so Kumar Singh, who fought from Bihar, um, during protest, he got a bullet in his wrist and died. Now, student, lesson has been finished. That how Indian started their first war against Britishers. Our first freedom fighting movement in it, which is held on 1855. Now you can recall. You can recall the. I think now you should try to solve these questions if you understand the chapter. Do you think the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the events of 1857? Uh, how did East India Company subdue the Indian princes? Quote Mohan Ram Rai to Raja Ram Mohan Rai to say religion teaches them same principles. In what ways the Britishers of officers exploit Indians? All, I think you can solve all these questions. If you get any trouble, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.